It was in 1974, early 1974. I traveled to London to visit or meet the Sainsburys, Sir Robert and Lady Sainsbury, and to meet the team that was working on the Sainsbury Centre. So that was really the first opportunity and first time I met Norman and Wendy and the team that was working on the Sainsbury Centre, and then some of the other teams in the Foster office on Fitzroy Square. I mean, obviously it has evolved. It's a much bigger practice. That change is obvious. I think what's remarkable is that the attention to detail and the energy and concern about projects feels very much the same. I mean, I've worked on many projects since the Sainsbury Centre as a lighting consultant to the office, and one feels an amazing energy working at Foster's. I could see that Norman was intensely interested in all the different projects. So that was very impressive to me, that his attention to detail and his grasp of all aspects of a project, even though there are many things happening in the office. That was, I mean, he's a genius. It was, I felt as an observer, it was very interesting to see the special relationship between Sir Robert and Lady Sainsbury and Norman Foster. It was amazing to watch the dynamics and energy between the three of them and how that impacted the development and development of the project of the Sainsbury Centre, and across many, many years. I mean, their relationship was a very good relationship and strong relationship through many aspects of that project. I was asked as an exhibition designer and someone who had special knowledge of lighting art to come to the Sainsbury Centre or come to the project in that role, and to work at Foster and Associates while the project was in the ground, being built and being developed. And I was basically in charge of setting up the exhibition design and doing the lighting for the collections. So it was a very unique opportunity to work with the architectural team in the project, to work with the patrons, Sir Robert and Lady Sainsbury, to understand their vision, to understand Norman's vision, and to be part of that architectural team for the building. And I think Norman personally has a deep interest in lighting. He certainly has told me a few things about that. I think he sees light as a material, which is an important part of architecture.